Next, we have the stickiness report. Now, in the stickiness, we start to look a bit of a form of retention as seen in some other tools. Now, what we want to do here is we want to select some kind of event, right? Let's say view add. How many, that's the event we look at. We, of course, filter it by some of our common criteria as before. And in here, we're looking at stickiness, which is just simply how many times our users repeated this event over some time period, right? So here we're looking at weekly, and we're saying, 1 day in, about 55% of the users did the event. 2 days, about 30% of the same users came back into the action and so on. The report down here, or the table down here, will seem familiar, right? This is a cohort analysis table, so we're cohorting users by day, and then showing how they're coming back and doing the same event over time, right? If anything, over 1 week. We can, of course, go, let's say, monthly here. And we see how this trends down over time. So by the time you get to something like 30 days, you might not have a lot of data, right? Or you might see how users are actually using the product. We can, of course, see change over time. Another handy report here. So we're looking at, say, day 7 specifically, right? How is that changing over time? So this is day 3. So we can see how is that day 3 stickiness changing over time? Is it getting better? Is it getting worse? And so on. Just like before, we have our ability to segment users, filter users, user properties, and so on. This is pretty universally available in almost all the Amplitude reports.